In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your Salesforce edition and API version in Lightning via the Salesforce platform. Before we dive into the steps, understanding the importance of knowing these details is key. The Salesforce edition determines the features you have access to, while the API version is crucial for developers integrating external applications with Salesforce. To start, you'll want to navigate to Salesforce and locate the gear icon, a symbol that represents settings. Clicking on the gear icon, you'll need to select Advanced Setup from the drop-down menu. This is your first gateway into customizing and understanding more about your Salesforce instance. Once you are in the Advanced Setup area, direct your attention to the top of the setup page where you'll find a handy search bar known as the Quick Find box. Here, you'll want to type in company information. This is a quick and efficient way to navigate through Salesforce without manually scrolling through numerous options. After you've searched for and found company information in the search results, go ahead and click on it. You'll be taken to a page brimming with useful information about your Salesforce organization. Among these, you'll see a field labeled Organization Edition. This is where your Salesforce edition is listed, detailing exactly which edition your organization is currently utilizing, such as Essentials, Professional, or Enterprise. Finding your API version involves a few more steps, so let's proceed. Head back to that trusty gear icon in the top right again and click on it, selecting Advanced Setup just as you did before. Now back in the setup area, you'll turn again to the Quick Find box. This is really your best friend in Salesforce navigation. Type in API this time. Under the integration section, you should see API pop up in the results. Clicking on API will lead you to a page with different APIs available for your use. At this point, you're going to look for and click Generate Enterprise WSDL. This action opens up an XML output page, which can seem a bit daunting if you're new to it. But don't worry, you're just one step away from the information you seek. Close to the top of this page, right within a commented out section, you'll find that API version listed neatly. It may look something like, knowing your API version is particularly beneficial when dealing with integrations and making sure all your systems perform seamlessly together. And there you have it, you've successfully located your Salesforce edition and API version. These steps are invaluable whether you're managing existing integrations or planning new projects. Thanks for joining me today, and remember to subscribe to get more insights and tips on managing your Salesforce environment effectively.